Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos from Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Play Store. Now in the search bar, you have to search for photo recovery, file recovery. You have to search for it. Here you can see photo recovery, file recovery. You have to press on this. Now press on install. Now click on open. Here you can see photo recovery, file recovery. Continue to app. You have to press on this. Here you have to select your language and press on done. Here you can see 4 options. You have to choose for recover photos. Press on this. Here you can see the option of scan. You have to press on this to scan your photos. Press on scan. After scanning this, your photos will be recovered. That's it. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.